All right, when you start doing a lot of video like I do, you're you start being you're concerned about your appearance. You start wondering how Vanna White of Wheel of Fortune changes her gowns and hairstyle and makeup every single show to look fresh. And I like making, I'll spend a few hours making video and then I'll dice them up to maybe five of them. So maybe 5 10-minute videos, maybe one 30-minute one, or it could be four 3-minute ones. But after a while, you keep looking in your webcam going, well, God, I got the same hat on and the same shirt. And I don't really change my studio. This is kind of my side room where I love making video and obviously hanging stuff on the wall. But I thought, God, how do you change your appearance? So I thought the best way is like maybe glasses, shirt, and hat. Because us guys, there's not a lot we could do with makeup. I mean, I guess some guys wear makeup. I could call Boy George, or if David Bowie was alive, he always had some cool eyeliner, or they call it guy liner. Maybe I could call CEO Ben of LiveGood and see if we can get some guy liner and maybe some blush for men. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? All right, here I go. I just thought this is how, and believe me, I definitely don't dress like a lawyer or a good-looking CEO in a badass Armani GQ shirt. I'm better off like with a $10 to $20 rock and roll shirt. This one, I made quite a few videos in my blue on blue. So I thought, let's go crazy color. This video, I thought, maybe I'll do Def Leppard. And the reason why I'm celebrating is I just had a friend, George, if you're watching this video, welcome aboard. I started my day, and it looks like he's way over across the pond in good old Europe. And my gosh, James Bond is my favorite action figure, and it looks like he has that badass flag right next to his name. So this band is from there. I love Def Leppard. They've been in my life literally since 1980, when their first album or so came out. So I am going to change my appearance live on video, and I'm going to do it the best way I can. And that's just do it. I don't care. I'm just going to do it. And then after I watch it, I'm going to be ashamed of myself, and then I'm going to post it, because that's the best part about doing things live. Okay. Now you're not going to see Vanna White do this, or any spokesmodel, male or female, live on camera, but I do. Because that's why I love LiveGood. I can have a sense of humor and meet friends like George from across the pond. So George, in honor of Europe, and I'll try to cover my man boobs. Right now, I think if I had my shirt off on camera, I would violate terms of service with YouTube, and someone would report me that a nude man or woman with man boobs is on YouTube. Ban him. So I'd ban myself just for fun. Okay, here I'll try to. Do you ever see girls like change their clothes in public? They kind of do it this way. Okay, here we go. All right, my first live video change. Okay, now this didn't change my appearance much. I still kind of look like I'm the roadie for Def Leppard. And I love Def Leppard, by the way. I just listened to him about an hour ago. Okay, I'm still kind of rocking the blue look, aren't I? Why don't I just get a hat? Because I have over 50 hats on the left of my, on the floor right here. I have them all in order. And I just thought, this hat, look at how crazy it is. It's kind of tie-dye. It's with our company. It's Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. Blaine and Jill, great company that promotes the crap out of rock and roll cars and fun. All right, here we go. Ready? Boom. I look completely different now. Like, you can't even recognize me. Like, if you go to YouTube and click on my channel, you'd be like, God, who's that new guy on Corey's channel? He looks so different. Now, one thing I do like to do is, like, every couple of weeks, my beard starts looking like Santa mixed with Colonel Sanders of KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. So if you guys live out of the country, Kentucky Fried Chicken, you probably might have heard it. It's on every corner in America. And that's why most Americans are 700 pounds overweight, because that dang Colonel sells that delicious chicken, potatoes, pies, and it's like, if anyone needed LiveGood products, it's that darn Colonel Sanders. And it's me, because I do enjoy that type of food, accidentally, of course. But then I go to live good, and I buy super greens, super reds. I'm hoping Ben and Nodder and our great doctors, the Goodkins, invent super bad for people that are bad with their diet accidentally. So super reds, super greens, super badass. That'd be kind of cool. All right, anyway, this is how you change your appearance. You just put on like a hat and maybe a new shirt, and then just promote the heck out of Live Good or whatever you'd like. You be yourself, all right? There's nothing wrong with being yourself on any platform, any background. You can sit in back of that car, gosh dang it, or go in the closet. Maybe you got some cool coats, and I don't know, maybe I'll do a closet video. I'm going to do one of those, and maybe there's a broom closet or something around the studio here. I don't mind doing a video anywhere. I find Live Good fun, and I think if you have a sense of humor and just talk about a good time you're having, other people will go, let's look into this darn thing. So anyway, if you have not joined Live Good, I think if you found my video, you're probably searching around trying to get some information about how to join or maybe how to promote it. I do both. I was really excited. I've had like 3 or 4 people sign up just in the last couple days, and some pre-enroll where people just put their name in the username, or I'm sorry, in the capture page. They put their email address and name, and they kind of scoot around. They just kind of snoop around the old Live Good thing and just check it out. And that's exciting because a lot of people, believe it or not, after they spend maybe even an hour, sometimes a couple days, I've had people pre-enroll, like let's say on a Monday, and right around Thursday, they just say, you know what, I dig this company. Let's give it a shot. $9.95 a month, okay? And if you got a couple $20 bills American or whatever currency country you might live in, but good old Utah where I live, if I rub two $20 bills together, magically, I become an affiliate. And I've done that now since March. So March, April, okay, I'm going on May. So I got about 2.5 months in. And right now I am a silver. So you start unranked and then you go to bronze. That's right. You're bronze. You get this tan. It's really cool. You just sign up 2 people. You get up in the morning and you got a tan. I don't know how Live Good does it. Maybe it's the super reds. They need to invent super tan too. You just like drink a couple drinks and you wake up with a tan like you've been in Hawaii. So, all right. Well, anyway, it's fun. Silver going on to gold and platinum. These are just certain ranks when you get X amount of people underneath you, and then they get a couple people and so on and so on. So with this type of company, it's on a 2x15 matrix. So I like to think, let's get 2 people on my left and right shoulder. This morning, I got another sign up. So George, if you're watching this, welcome aboard. And I'm hoping by afternoon or this evening on Mother's Day, maybe someone else will sign up. So I got a left and a right. And then I want to help those people that sign up get 2 people, and so on and so on. I'm more worried about my downline success on signing people up, because that, at the end of the day, that's the true way to creating some really nice wealth in this company. And more about that. I just wanted to make a fun video because I noticed my video, I had the same blue hat and shirt. And I'm like, gosh darn it, I'm going to change my appearance dramatically. But I love Def Leppard. I love England. Almost all my favorite bands are from there. And welcome aboard anybody that comes. I'm going to send you guys email. I'm going to try to do the best I can to just show video of certain things that other leaders are using, and maybe some tools, and maybe AI technology. I'm still a fan of that. I think the success that I've been having has a lot to do with where I reach out to leads that fit exactly what I want, which are people that are already in MLM or have been in an MLM, such as like Avon, Amway, oh my gosh, Herbalife, even Tupperware, Mary Kay, Home Interior. The planet loves MLMs, and there's a reason why, because you can get some really nice products and make some really nice cash along the way, helping people just form a team. And there's nothing wrong with that. I love it. So anyway, Def Leppard rocks. I'd like to show you a little bit of success with the AI. You can see right now I've been averaging about 500 people. And right now I haven't even really worked my AI in the last day or so. I just had to attend a funeral and some other things. And right now I'm rocking and rolling. And today's Mother's Day, so I'm going to go and have a nice little lunch type thing with some friends and family. And then tonight I'll be back and I'm going to kick on this AI technology from Nowsite, and I'm going to work on the next couple days getting these 500 numbers up to 1,000. I absolutely know I can do it. I'm searching well, from India to England to Bangladesh. I don't even know how to spell that dang word, or city or country. I just know I've heard about it from the Beatles when they were rocking and rolling. So it's fun. I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 people. It looks like in the last couple days have just signed up and said, hey, you know what? Let's just kick some tires. And then when people upgrade, that means that they just made a decision, and hopefully they saw my videos and they trusted that this is a nice company. And I think that there's no doubt that after they just search around, see how easy it is, just get locked in, just sign up, get a username. And then from there, I like to do step-by-step courses like how to get a domain name. I own joincory.com. I got it from GoDaddy for about $11.50. And if you can find something like join blank or work with, like work with Corey, I bought that one, and I bought joincorydraper.com, and I got one that's kind of polite. I bought pleasewatchvideo.com, and that one's kind of pleasant. I get a lot of clicks just by putting that in an email or a social media post. But if you want to look into AI technology right now, I have a code, and if you put in code number 49, you can get AI technology unlimited and go crazy for $49 a month. And if it's a budget thing, I understand, because sometimes when you get into a $49 a month thing, you're like, okay, it's a little bit of money, but it's not crazy. But anyway, all I can tell you is when I get back this afternoon, I'm going to show you how you can get 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10, about 30 leads a minute using AI technology by typing in India, oh my gosh, Africa, South Africa. You can come to the good old United States, and there's plenty of people that in Spain would love to hear about LiveGood as well. And I'm going to start just doing some nice videos that I've learned. I'm definitely not an expert with AI technology or Nowsite, but by getting a hold of those guys 24 hours a day, there's real people that run the company you can talk to. It's fun to get advice from them on how to successfully get some really nice leads that will probably get you some pre-enrolls and some upgrades. And just in the last couple of days, it's really nice to get 1, 2, 4 people interested, and looks like 3 out of those 4 people might have just said, hey, this is kind of cool, let's check it out. So, all right, well, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed my super important, very informative video on how to change your shirt without hopefully showing your man boobs, and maybe getting a hat that kind of complements this. I'm kind of proud of myself. I kind of match. So, all right, you guys have a good day. I'm going to have me a cup of coffee, and I'm going to head over to a friend's house and celebrate Mother's Day for a few hours, and I'll be back just kicking some butt with the LiveGood thing. And I love doing videos on YouTube. So if you want to sign up for LiveGood, just right below the video, click that link. And then if you want to look into the AI technology, you got to kind of hurry, and I'm not kidding. I have a code, number 49. If you pay for the unlimited package, which you have to have, if you put number 4 and 9 in the code when you go to pay, it wipes out $50 a month. And they're offering that right now. And I hope they continue it. But right now, I know within the next week, they're going to go ahead and unfortunately eliminate that opportunity, because they have to make money too. But right now, they're having a great time with LiveGood. They said that some great people have been signing up. So they offer a nice little deal for you guys if you're interested. But you can be successful without it as well. But I just think it's kind of fun to blast out 300 emails a day, and 200 of them will probably reach their destination. And my gosh, if you can get 3 or 4 people a day or every other day, or maybe get 2 or 3 people every couple of days to sign up, it just makes you feel really excited. Like myself, I get excited when I see someone sign up and upgrade. That's awesome. So, okay, well, have a good day. I am out of here, and I'll be back in a few hours, and I'll probably change my shirt and my hat again so it looks like I'm a little fresh. I do brush my teeth, though, I swear, and use deodorant before I make each video. All right, I got another video probably popping up after this. Okay, have a good one. I'll see you guys next video.